So hi people, I'm going to do a very special therapy right now. Nothing serious, just for well-being. It's called the
Baric oxygen therapy.
hyperbaric oxygen therapy. This is in Sri Ayurveda Hospital in Bangalore. In science they say your blood cells generally carry about 20% of 2% of oxygen, and with this therapy your plasma starts carrying 85% of oxygen to the cells.
Correct.
Plasma generally carries 2% of the oxygen, but with this therapy 85% of oxygen to the cells. It flushes you with pure oxygen. It is mainly used for rejuvenation of your entire body, rejuvenation of your cells, of anti-aging. That's the right word to catch. So if you want to anti-age, you should try this beautiful apparatus here. Looks complicated, but I'm sure it will be fun. So we'll see how this goes. Okay.
Movie Dhurandhar or something I can watch.
Within 1 hour you'll watch, sir?
I'll watch something. Or I'll listen to it.
But sister, that is what you said for few patients, it is not still.
So iPhone we can connect.
It is not
हाँ, sister.
It is Android.
iPhone not
Okay.
only sound we can connect.
If you want to turn sideways, you can turn.
Okay.
If you're feeling sleepy, you sleep. No issue.
So I just finished my hyperbaric oxygen therapy. For the last 1 hour or so, I was inside this machine, and it felt very relaxing. Actually, I almost went into this state of sleeping meditation. Very relaxing, and once you come out of it, you feel so rejuvenated. And yes, remember the word, it is anti-aging. So once you come here to Bangalore, to the Art of Living Ashram, you can give it a shot, and it has some beautiful benefits. Take care.